Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of MEXC, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the market. If you're looking to get started with crypto trading, don't forget to use our MEXC referral code 12K4M5 to get some exciting bonuses. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about MEXC itself. Founded in 2018, MEXC has quickly established itself as a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, MEXC offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. MEXC operates globally, providing access to users in multiple countries. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Now let's dive into the features and services that MEXC offers. MEXC supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, giving traders plenty of options. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the latest altcoins, MEXC has got you covered. Some standout features include advanced trading tools like spot trading, futures, and margin trading. MEXC Earn lets users stake their coins and earn interest, while the MEXC Launchpad provides early access to promising new projects. Security is a top priority for MEXC. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is essential for any serious trader. MEXC also conducts regular security audits to ensure the platform remains secure. Their insurance fund is another great feature that provides peace of mind. Let's talk about trading fees. MEXC offers competitive fees, starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token. This makes MEXC an attractive option for both small and large traders. Compared to other major exchanges, MEXC's fees are very competitive. They also have low withdrawal and deposit fees, which is great for maximizing your returns. The user interface on MEXC is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. User feedback often highlights the ease of navigation and the powerful trading tools available. The mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to trade on the go with ease. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and MEXC doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, MEXC has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Let's not forget the MEXC referral program. By using our referral code 12K4M5, you can earn bonuses and enjoy reduced trading fees. It's a great way to get started and take advantage of some extra perks. Referral programs like this one are a fantastic way to benefit even more from your trading activities. Don't miss out on these rewards. MEXC is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that MEXC remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using MEXC? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making MEXC a top choice for crypto traders. To wrap things up, MEXC is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, MEXC has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our MEXC referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used MEXC and what your experience has been. Happy trading with MEXC. Until next time, happy trading with MEXC. And don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5